Welcome back, gardeners. Today, we're talking about the compact growth of Roma tomatoes and why they're such an excellent choice for home gardens. Their determinate nature makes them easy to manage and perfect for gardeners of all levels. Roma tomatoes are a determinate, or bush variety, which means they grow to a fixed height, usually around 3 to 4 feet. Once they reach their mature size, they stop growing and focus on producing fruit, making them ideal for small spaces and container gardening. Unlike indeterminate varieties that keep growing and need constant support and pruning, Roma tomatoes have a more controlled, compact growth habit. This makes them easier to manage, requiring less staking and maintenance, and producing a concentrated harvest all at once. Because of their manageable size, Roma tomatoes are perfect for raised beds, small gardens, or even large containers. Their predictable growth and abundant yield make them a great choice for anyone looking to enjoy homegrown tomatoes without a lot of fuss. With their compact growth and easy care nature, Roma tomatoes are a great addition to any home garden. Stay tuned for more tips on growing these versatile tomatoes, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening advice. Happy planting!